Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology, and an Autonomous Institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss about 19 ECET 212 Linear Control System subject under the topic Open Loop and Closed Loop Control System. So based on my previous YouTube video, if you watch that video means you may have knowledge about what is in the control system and what are the types of control system and how open loop control system is different in closed loop control system. Now I am detailedly discuss about the open loop control system. A control system in which the control action is totally independent of output of the system, then it is called open loop control system. A manual control system is also an open loop control system. Process output is totally independent of the controller action. If you see this figure, the desired process response is given to controller. The controller will control the output and it is given to the processor. Then the process delivers the process output. Practical examples of open loop control system. Electric hand dryer. Hot air comes out as long as if you keep your hand under the machine, irrespective of how much your hand is dried. Automatic washing machine. This machine runs according to the preset time irrespective of washing is completed or not. Bread toaster. This machine runs as per adjusted time irrespective of toasting is completed or not. Automatic tea or coffee maker. These machines also functions for pre-adjusted time only. Timer based cloth dryer. This machine dries wet cloths for pre-adjusted time. It doesn't matter how much the cloths are dried. Light switch. Lamps glow whenever light switch is on irrespective of light is required or not. Volume on stereo button. Volume is adjusted manually irrespective of output volume level. Disadvantages of open loop control system. Simple, inaccurate, unreliable, and any change in output cannot be corrected automatically. The very important advantages of open loop control system are simple in construction and design, economical, easy to maintain, generally stable, convenient to use as output is difficult to measure. Feedback loop control system. A feedback is a common and powerful tool when designing a control system. Feedback loop is taken the system output into consideration and enables the system to adjust its performance to meet a desired result of system. In any control system, the output is affected due to change in environmental condition or any kind of disturbance. So one signal is taken from the output and it is feedback to the input. This signal is compared with the reference input and the error signal is generated. This error signal is applied to controller and the output is corrected. So if you see this figure, the input is given to controller element, the controller elements will do manipulate variables, then it is given to plant and the plant is given the output. So some part of the output is taken and given as a feedback element and this feedback element is given to the reference input. Reference input means it is the original input signal minus feedback signal. So depend upon the value, it may either increase the value or a decrease the value. So this is a good example of feedback control system. In this figure, R is the input signal, E is the error signal, G is the forward path gain, H is the feedback, C is the output control, and B is the feedback signal. B either may be positive or negative. Error between system input and system output is reduced. System gain is reduced by a factor of 1 by 1 plus or minus GH. Improvements in sensitivity, stability may be affected, improve the speed of response. Closed loop control system in which the output has an effect on the input quantity in such a manner that the input quantity will adjust itself based on output generated is called closed loop control system. And the open loop control system can be converted into closed loop system by providing a proper feedback. This feedback automatically makes the suitable changes in the output due to external disturbance. In this way, a closed loop control system is called an automatic control system. So here The only difference between open loop and closed loop is feedback is attached again to this input. So next YouTube video